Hi, I'm Karl Konrad and I started Australian Immigration Law Services 22 years ago. We specialise in securing visas for those wishing to live, work and study in Australia. We are a team of registered migration agents licensed by the Australian Government to provide you with professional assistance both in visa applications and reviews to the tribunal. It is vital that in seeking professional advice that you deal with people who are accountable to the government. Now, 2021 could not have come fast enough for many people as a means to put the horrible year of 2020 behind them. As far as visa-related issues are concerned, January has brought some hope that progress is on the way. Travel permission to enter Australia is still hard to obtain, and now with the fear of the new strains of the virus reaching our shores, that is not likely to change. We'll discuss more about when travel permission may resume in a new video to be released soon. Now don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss it when it comes out. On the 20th of January, the Graduate 485 visa holders will be able to apply for 1 or 2 year extensions. Now there are strict conditions on eligibility, but it will be a significant psychological boost to many former international students who have continued to live in regional areas of Australia after their studies there. Now January will also see state nomination applications open up for many regions. Queensland's 491 for small business owner applications have opened to those who have invested at least $100,000 in a business in regional areas of Queensland. Victoria's first submissions windows for registration of interest on the 190 and 491 visas began on the 5th of January. After this opening, there will be just 4 more, February, March, April and May, before the end of this financial year. To learn more about applying for the 190 and 491 visa with Victoria, watch our video on the Victoria nomination requirements linked in the description below. The New South Wales 190 sponsorship is still open and processing. 491 nomination applications are to open early February and without a doubt to a flood of hopeful candidates. Western Australia has updated its occupation list and says nominations will resume this month, but there is no news on exactly when that will be. Western Australian nomination is rather disappointing. The general occupation list is pitifully small. Worse still, many occupations have been closed on the occupation list for graduates, which is hugely frustrating for those who have spent 2 years of hard work and lots of money on international tertiary course fees. Some occupations that are no longer feature on the graduates' occupation list include accountants, secondary teachers, primary teachers, and to my astonishment, occupational health and safety officers. Tasmania is still actively sponsoring its occupations it deems necessary to assist with the COVID-19 response. It will update its sponsorship requirements at the end of this month, so our video covering these changes is one that you will not want to miss. The ACT Critical Skills list was updated this week and there are many occupations added and quite a few removed. The recent invitation round on the 15th of January was keenly anticipated, as will be the remaining ones for this financial year. If you want to learn more about the ACT nomination requirements for the 190 and 491 visas, videos are linked in the description below. The Northern Territory opened its 190 and 491 nominations last week, but no doubt with the number of applications they receive and the number of backlogs since it suddenly closed last year, it may not be open for long. One thing we can be sure on, this year will still hold many unexpected changes, and we hope they will be mostly positive. Of course, the COVID-19 virus holds a greater sway in the direction of immigration will head for the remainder of this year. If you're suffering from pandemic fatigue wherever you are in the world, hang in there. If you want to learn more about visas, have a read over at australiavisa.com and make sure you join us on Facebook as well. We post updates such as when occupation lists change and when state applications are open. Now don't forget to hit that subscribe for our channel and show your much appreciated support. As always, take care out there and I will see you next time. So bye for now.